Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hi, I'm Aishwarya. This is a little different than our usual video. I personally love challenges. I do all sorts of challenges, and this time me and my two best friends Rucha and Sharayu, we have made this 30 days of self-love challenge for all of you, and I'm really excited to share it with you all. It challenge is for 30 days and it starts on 1st of June and ends on 30th of June. So we do this little things every single day of this challenge. Those things are really easy, very doable, and I think you guys are gonna have so much fun. So I'll just quickly explain these 30 things that we are going to do in this challenge. So number one is to write 5 things you are grateful for. So nothing, just sit and write 5 things that you're grateful for. Now when I say this, don't be obvious, like try to write things beyond your everyday things. Like it's obvious that you're grateful for your everyday things, but try to go beyond that and be specific. So instead of saying I'm grateful for the food that I had today, you can say I am grateful for the aloo paratha I ate today. So be specific. Number 2, day 2 is to eat a fruit. Now when I say eat a fruit, don't eat a fruit while you're watching a TV series or you're reading a book. Eat a fruit and concentrate on that fruit. So savor it, enjoy every bite of it. So eat your favorite food, fruit. Day 3, do a face mask. You can do any face mask. If you have those fancy ones, you can do that. You can do a DIY face mask, anything, any of that sort. Pamper your skin, do a face mask. Day 4, define your goals for this year. Now I know when we started this year, we had all these different goals for ourselves, जो अभी शायद पॉसिबल नहीं है given the current situation. So what you can do now is sit and make list of things that you can very not easily, but you can do really, the things that you can do which is possible for you to do now given the current situation. It can be anything. Start from small goals to your bigger goals in life. Try to cover as much area as possible, and yeah, write your goals. Day 5, yoga. You can do the tutorials that are available on YouTube, or you can do various classes, free classes that are available on different sites, also on YouTube, or you can do basic Surya Namaskars. I think most of us know Surya Namaskar and how to do it, so you can do that. Day 6 is to sing a song. Sing your favorite song. Now if you are somebody who loves to sing on karaoke, you can use YouTube ka karaoke track. I'm sure there are a lot of karaoke tracks available on YouTube. Or you can sing on apps like Star Maker. Those are really good, so you can sing your songs there. Day 7 is to watch a cartoon episode. Now I think every one of us has had a favorite cartoon when we were kids. So visit that place, visit that phase and watch your favorite cartoon. It can be anything, Oswald, Noddy, Shin Chan, Doraemon, Pingu, any of that. So just enjoy your favorite cartoon episode. Day 8 is to video call your best friends. I think nothing is soothing and therapeutic than calling your best friends, so do that. Day 9, write your feelings. So sit down and write what you're feeling. You can write about what you have been feeling for this few months, or you can write about what you want to feel in the future. You can write what you're feeling today, anything. Just sit and write what your feelings are. Day 10, social media detox. Take a break from your social media. Take a break from Instagram, Facebook and all of that. A good break, social media break, is always a good idea. Day 11, write your future self a letter. This is something I absolutely love. This is something that I myself do. I have a letter that I wrote to myself when I was 18 years old, and I'm 21 now, and it's always fun to revisit 18-year-old Aishwarya and what she was thinking and what she was feeling. It's always a nice enjoyment to see yourself grow. So write yourself a letter that you will open in maybe 2025 or something like that. So yes, write your future self a letter. Day 12 would be to hair oiling. Put that oil in your hair already, people. Day 13 is to take a good long showers. You can do those fancy bath routines, you can do DIY exfoliators or body packs and all of that. So take a good long shower. Day 14, cook a meal. You can cook your favorite meal for yourself. You can try on some new recipes. You can make yourself your favorite cuisine ka food, and I don't know, yeah, food makes everybody happy, so cook your favorite meal. Day 15 is to declutter your closet or desk. You can clean your closet or your desk area, और कपड़े जो इधर उधर पड़े रहते हैं, so you can declutter all of that. Day 16, declutter your phone. Now this is that one thing जो हम सबसे ज़्यादा यूज़ करते हैं, और इसमें पता नहीं कौन कौन सी चीज़ें होती है. सो declutter that. WhatsApp पे जो फैमिली ग्रुप से शुभ सकाळ वाले मैसेज आते हैं, get rid of those. So yes, declutter your phone. Day 17, watch a movie. Any movie, your favorite movie, और जो मूवी आपको बहुत दिनों से देखनी है पर आप भूल जाते हो या हो नहीं पाता. So watch your favorite movie. Day 18 is to make your favorite drink. Anyway, इतनी गर्मी है, समर चल रहा है, so you can make yourself a favorite drink. That can be anything really, cold coffee, watermelon juice, or mojito, any of that. So make yourself a favorite drink. Day 19, enjoy sunrise or sunset. So go to your balcony or terrace, take some chai or coffee with you and enjoy a good sunrise or sunset. It's always a good idea. Day 20, dance on your favorite song. So put on that crazy music, your favorite song, and dance to it. Day 28, meditate for 5 minutes. You can do guided meditations, जिसके बहुत सारे वीडियो YouTube पे अवेलेबल है, और you can do any of the meditation forms that you usually do. Day 22, write 10 things you are grateful for. So from 5 we have come to 10 now. Day 23, read 10 pages. You can read 10 pages from any book really. Book जो आप अभी पढ़ रहे हो, book जो आप पढ़ना चाहते हो, book जो आप पढ़ चुके हो, your favorite book, any of that. Just sit and read minimum of 10 pages that day. Day 24, color or draw. So just sit and color. कुछ भी coloring book अगर आपके पास होगा तो वो कुछ भी draw करने की कोशिश करो, वो color करो. और if you are an artist, you can do those woo paintings and all of that. Day 25, write your strengths. So sit and write your strengths. Write about things that you think you are good at. कुछ भी हो सकता है, बहुत छोटी छोटी चीज़ों से बहुत बड़ी बड़ी चीज़ों तक. आपको अगर लगता है कि आप इसमें बहुत अच्छे हो, तो वो सारी चीज़ों के बारे में लिखो. Write, like give yourself some compliments. I think everybody needs that. So write your strengths. Day 26, have a game night. So sit with your family and enjoy a good game night. You can play cards, Satti Lavani वगैरह, or you can play Ludo or any of the games that you like. Day 27, groom your body. Now I think it's really time that we groom our body. If you're somebody who likes to shave or removes their hair, you can do it now. You can moisturize your body. Your body always needs that extra hydration. You can paint your nails with your favorite nail polish, anything, just groom your body. Day 28, dress up. So put on your favorite dress, put on some makeup, some heels, do your hair, maybe take selfie or two and post on Instagram. So just have a dress up party for yourself. It's always a fun idea. Day 29 is to meditate. Again, you can do those tutorials or guided meditation available on YouTube or any of the forms that you usually do. And day 30, our last day of challenge, is that you can do your favorite activity. You can do anything that you absolutely like. और इतने सारे दिनों में से अगर आपको कुछ पसंद आया हो और जो आपने बहुत एंजॉय किया हो, उसमें से भी आप कुछ भी कर सकते हो. So yes, these are 30 things that we are going to do in this challenge of 30 days of self-love. And I'm really excited to share this with you guys. I hope you really like this idea and I really hope that you want to be part of this. I will put a 30 days ka template here somewhere if I can. Now this template is, my best friend Rucha made this template and I'm really proud of her. So she has, it's a handmade template which makes it really special. I'll also try to link that somewhere in the description so that you can click on that and take a screenshot of this template and use that as a reference, or you can always come back to this video if you have anything, like if you find something difficult to understand. So yeah, and if you don't follow me on my Instagram, please do. Uska link description mein hai, because I'll be updating, like I'll be updating for every single day on my Instagram about this challenge, and I'm going to update कि आज मैंने क्या किया और ये हुआ या वो हुआ, everything of that sort. And me, Rucha and Sharayu, all like my friends, we are going to go live on Instagram, I think either tomorrow or day after tomorrow, I think 30th or 31st sometime, to talk more about this challenge. And so yeah, that's it. Okay, so if you're on Instagram, take a screenshot of this and put that as your story and let us know that you want to be part of this. You can tag me and Rucha and Sharayu in this challenge, and we would love for you to be part of this, and we would love to do all this together. So I really hope you enjoyed this video and this idea of hashtag 30 days of self-love. If you did, please don't forget to click on the like button and subscribe to my channel if you're new, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.